Hi y'all, it's Sunday, 27 September, and it's time for another progress report. This week we have started moving in. A few days ago we had the moving company come and the guys emptied out our storage shed that we had, the big one, and that included, the beds, the washer and dryer, the couch, the office stuff, all these boxes. It was a whole moving van full of stuff, plus my little cargo trailer. And we got that all loaded in one day, and we were done by 2:30 that afternoon. So that worked out real well. 'Cause of course, we had a lot of boxes in all the rooms that still need to be unpacked. But this is, that was Friday. So as of today, Sunday, we've still come a long way. I've been spending a lot of time unpacking and reassembling, like the beds and the microwave showed up and we got that installed. The wine cooler showed up, it got installed. Putting the desk together, shelves and stuff like that. It's just been just me running around with tools all day long, putting things back together. But it looks like it went real well. We didn't have any damage to anything. And the house did real well too. We didn't nick any walls or bang up anything. So real happy with that. Just got a long way to go now to get all those boxes unpacked. Find a place to put everything. We've got lots and lots of room, lots of storage now. We just got to figure out how we're going to do it, what's going to go where. So Ann's working on that. She's in there feathering her nest hot and heavy, and I'm going around doing all the installation and assembly work. The big thing that's holding us back from moving in now is the gas company still has not come in and done our tap and connected us to gas. So that keeps us from having hot water and being able to take a hot shower. And when this cooler weather comes, actually firing up the furnace. So we're waiting on the gas company, and of course Xfinity, our internet company, they totally screwed the pooch. They were supposed to be in Thursday morning, and I called, and they said, "Thomas who?" And that didn't work out. So we're starting all over with them. Apparently our address wasn't in their database because the house didn't exist, and so they just took us off the work order because they didn't think our house was really there, I guess. I don't know, but we'll see. Another week or two, they'll try again. They'll bring a technician out there and hopefully get us hooked up. But the big thing is the gas. We get the gas going, we can take a hot shower. We can work the stove and cook, and so that's what we're really waiting for. But like I said, everything's going nice and smooth. Nothing's broken. Can't complain. We're really starting to get excited about it. As I'm moving tools over to the other house to do stuff, I'm just leaving them there now. I'm not bringing them back. So a lot of my tools are moving over by attrition. So we get stuff moved over there every day. But anyway, again, we are feeling really blessed. This house is really going to be wonderful. It's just so nice, so big, and compared to what we've been living in, and so beautiful. So we're really excited about it, and glad to see this project come to completion. And we're looking forward to finishing up, settling in, and then getting in that little camper and going on a little trip. So anyway, that's it for this week, and hopefully I'll have another good report for you next Sunday. So until then, see you later. Bye.